Live again.
Oh, yeah man.
Live in living colors.
Yeah man, I know so. Make sure your finger them clean. Yeah, cause it's always about cleanliness, yeah?
Cleanliness is what?
Next to godliness. Alright, so got to be clean. Don't watch nothing else, it's just about your heart, you know? You cook from your heart.
You see the jerk chicken boys are going to relax about this today.
Chicken Gucci, man. Nothing funny about the food, you know? I love to cook it with, you know? It's all about love. You cook it with love, it will. You know, it will endorse itself. When I drink a one beer. Nothing. Oh, this have a pops. Well, Daddy. Him say you want some chicken. And Daddy, hey, go and be yourself, pops. The chicken Daddy, I'll sauce come to. Yeah. I eat that ink. The food is always ready, huh? Food ready. Food prepare, food done.
You have some napkin put to take off the oil of anything.
Oh yeah. Well, come like you remember, some know say he's Gappa. He's a Gappa. Yeah, can be assistant, you know.
Assistant chef, man. AKA.
AKA.
I know AKA me have, you know.
Yeah, indeed. So.
I know about AKA me have, man.
But them flour are still real top.
Yeah.
Them flour you know get no
normal.
I love all of them things, you know. But
yeah, but you need to, you know.
I will make sure you see it go. You come so.
Flip it over.
You flip it. I seen
boom.
And I eat that. You're there Elche, you're on the beach. You don't know where they have a little grass over there, we'll just go to personally. I'm alone will buy from. Yeah, I'm alone will buy from. When I buy from nobody else. I am alone I give you some flour.
Some real flour.
Yeah man, and you wear Rasta. You see it. We're not an imposter.
Rasta, no imposter thing.
Yeah, no imposter thing to eating. Yeah, these some man an imposter, you know, so I'm gonna try mimic Rasta thing, you see it. Yeah man. Them flour you done already, King. I'm telling you, man. As I say, you know, we'll feed your thing. 100% legit. So I think it's
you flour them there?
Yeah. Oh yeah. First lady I come in and also Richie. Yeah, I Richie some more juice. Sell out Richie already.
If I'm a video, you know, so.
Yeah, do sell out Richie in jail.
Yeah? Yeah. Yeah.
You want a phone?
You
want a phone?
You bring juice here. You bring ginger ale. How you bring? Red Bull, babes. So you know what I'm saying? Come on, man. Red Bull loud of voice, man. See?
Work with it still, work with it.
No.
Turning.
Normally, all the money do it, they have more higher than them pots still a yard on the beach side. So when you drop them, then they float.
Yeah, then thump and then top.
Yeah.
Once they come out and done, you know.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, less oil on your phone.
You work with a chemistry.
Yeah.
You have to kind of. You see me I say? Do this and do that and do that and do shit. If she want it, she get it. But you know, man, them love them thing in Jamaica, man. All over, man. All abroad, all England, my people, I say them love Gappa shit. Yeah? I love fried dumpling. Cakes. See? Alright, that what thing? We are work with limit oil.
Fasting.
See it?
1, 2, 3.
As long as it's golden and crusty, you know. Far away. A special chemistry we will give them still.
Fire to one, I've turned down one. Turn on fire one.
Then turn down already, man.
Alright, no, but it's still fire.
It's a bird in.
It turned on, but it's still fire. Brown, like a Jamaica color.
I agree with color that, man.
Only Jamaica style, you know?
Only we alone do it, man, like that, man. Ink.
Nobody else, nowhere else.
You go nowhere else and get this, you know?
Can't go no restaurant and find this.
Nowhere in America you go and get this, you know? Nowhere.
Only shit.
Only Jerk Bay.
Only at Jerk Bay. That's it. Nowhere else.
You don't find this nowhere else, you know?
Nowhere else.
Yeah, nowhere else. In America you go, you find this nowhere else. Yeah, I don't go and watch no dude and see how they do their stuff to follow.
Don't go watch no Chef Ricardo and them man, they got them man don't know how to cook.
Yeah, I don't watch nobody else.
Yeah. I Ricardo her name, but I know Chef Ricardo this.
Yeah.
I Jerk Bay this.
Yeah, I don't watch nobody else to do they cooking. We just do it. It's always love. You do it from love to your heart. And that's fried dumpling festival, whatever you want to call it. Get your own name.
Name it what you want.
See that? Got them there. They are real nice too, trust me. They're real good, real nice. And this is home cooking, like them people that call it. This is home cooking.
Can't buy these in restaurants.
Yeah, this is home cooking.
Cannot buy these in restaurants, people.
Normally you see them.
Small.
Yeah, it's
round.
Yeah, this is
not
home
long.
This is home cooking. This is not no
restaurant thing.
Yeah, this is just home. I'm just
home
doing
cooking,
this.
freestyling.
Yeah, freestyling right now. This is what I'm just doing right now, just for the viewers and subscribers. I'm just doing this for y'all.
When y'all taste this, y'all gonna be surprised.
What?
Y'all gonna be really surprised. Y'all gonna be asking, y'all gonna be requesting for these right here.
Yeah, this is just a home cooked stuff.
This is special right here.
Yeah.
Can't buy these in restaurants.
Yeah, you don't find this nowhere else.
Nowhere else.
You don't find this nowhere else.
Cannot buy these in stores.
Yeah.
Cannot buy these in the restaurants.
You don't get this nowhere else. Trust me.
Cannot buy these in the restaurants.
Yeah, you don't get this nowhere else. Nowhere else you go and find that.
Cannot buy these in the restaurants, people.
Yeah, you don't go nowhere else and find that. Yeah, you only get that right here.